bestie, welcome back. I was actually not in the mood to edit yesterday, and मेरे को आज खुद वही लग रहा है कि I don't feel like editing at all. I keep wondering कि यार मेरे को ऐसा क्यों लग रहा है, and I think the reason is कि I have एक तो stop whatever you want to talk. Chill. एंड एक्चुअली कल का दिन वॉज लाइक वेरी ओवरवेलमिंग फॉर मी, तो मेरे को इसीलिए बिल्कुल भी एडिट करने का मन नहीं किया. एंड आई वॉज थिंकिंग कि इंस्टेड ऑफ ट्राइंग टू फोर्स माई सेल्फ टू एडिट सो दैट आज संडे को कॉन्टेंट मैं पोस्ट कर पाऊँ, आई वॉज लाइक इट्स फाइन, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू एडिट, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू पोस्ट because it is okay. I have to stay true to myself and my audience, obviously. So I was like, no, I don't want to force myself to edit or anything. Abhi bhi mere ko like I'm not sure that I feel like editing right now, but I'm gonna give my mind rest for some time and then I'll see how I feel, and if I do feel like editing I will edit it. And मेरा अभी एक तो आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल कि मेरा अभी एडिटिंग इतना ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट नहीं है. लाइक बहुत ऐसे बेसिक अभी एडिटिंग करी, मैं कुछ ज़्यादा अपने आप को स्ट्रेस नहीं कर रही हूँ. I'm like, I want to stay more authentic, and if editing is going to be a stressful process for me, then I'm not going to be able to post at all. So I'm just thinking कि मेरे को सिर्फ अगर post करना है, then what's the best way for me to do it? So I'm like, अगर मेरे को कभी लग रहा है that I can put a background music, then I'm gonna put it. Otherwise just raw जैसा वो जा रहा है, मैं सिर्फ वैसे ही post करने वाली हूँ. Otherwise अगर मैं ज़्यादा कुछ एडिटिंग करने की ट्राई करती हूँ तो मैं नहीं पोस्ट करने वाली, मेरे को पता है वो चीज़. एंड इट वॉज जस्ट माई बर्थडे व्लॉग विच आई हैव लाइक एडिटेड फॉर लाइक 3 to 4 days. आई हैव ट्राई टू एडिट बिकॉज उसमें थोड़ा ज़्यादा टाइम एंड मेहनत लग गया, but I enjoyed the process, and now I'm trying to enjoy the process instead of stressing myself out, because I just feel ki otherwise I'm going to keep on blaming myself or pressurizing myself, and I keep comparing. then मेरे को अभी honestly इंस्टा तो है नहीं, तो मैं स्नैपचैट यूज़ करती हूँ, एंड वहाँ पे I follow 2-3 influencers and I just sometimes feel very upset, but I love them and that's why I follow them on Snapchat as well. and उनका स्नैपचैट का कंटेंट अच्छा है, and it's good to get a few updates on life की अच्छा I can use this, I can do this. मतलब कुछ भी अगर they are posting about, mostly मैं स्किन केयर एंड ऑल का ही देखती रहती हूँ. तो I like having those updates की okay, I can do this, I can do that stuff. So I feel like I don't want to miss out on everything that's going on, but I think तब मेरे दिमाग में वो ऐसे लाइन आया कि you can't really miss out on something that's meant for you. So I'm like, okay, it's fine. I think that is best for me to not use Snapchat right now, because मेरे को इतना ज़्यादा दिमाग में अभी वो ऐसा स्ट्रेसफुल चीज़ हो गया है कि मेरे को जैसा लग रहा है बार बार I keep stressing कि maybe my content is not good enough, because I'm not able to look at their content by not comparing my content with them. So I don't know मेरा अभी ये इतना ज़्यादा ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है that I'm questioning my content a lot, and I think that's like a normal thing. You have that phase, and I don't know if you can ever just get over it completely. वो ऐसे stages आते रहते हैं where you feel low, where you're going to just question your worth, you're going to not being able to love yourself, and whatever things you have worked on, you're still going to have a difficult time with all of it. मैं कभी ऐसा नहीं हुआ है कि now that I'm loving myself तो वो एक constant process है. So there are always those moments, even though I know my worth, there are always those moments when I'm questioning it. So it's like a process. I feel कि there are going to be days when you are going to love yourself, but there are going to be days when you're going to have a hard time with it. and then there are going to be days when you know your worth, and then there are going to be days when you're just going to question it a lot. And मेरा अभी वो वही ऐसा, I just feel very low nowadays. I just feel like I'm not really able to love myself. I feel better बिना स्पेक्स के. I think it's way better. स्पेक्स के साथ I just feel better because मेरे को एडिटिंग एंड ऑल में तो स्पेक्स चाहिए. These are like my computer glasses. I don't have power. As you can see वो blue rays. So मेरे को चाहिए होता बिकॉज अदरवाइज मेरे को हेडेक होने लगता. तो आई नीड, मेरे को बहुत टाइम लगता है कि मैं बहुत बार जब मैं रिंग लाइट के साथ शूट कर रही थी तो मेरे को लगता है यार मेरे को उस समय भी स्पेक्स पहन लेना चाहिए बिकॉज वैसे लाइट बहुत ज़्यादा आँख में जाता है. बट ऑब्वियसली आई डोंट लाइक वेयरिंग स्पेक्स. आई जस्ट हैव टू वेयर इट वाइल एडिटिंग. एंड मैं अभी आईपैड ही यूज़ कर रही थी. सो दैट्स वाई आई वॉज वेयरिंग माई स्पेक्स. And now what was I saying? Yes. So I don't think it's possible ki, you know, not question your words sometimes. It's just you reach that stage where you just do. And mera bhi वैसे ही चल रहा है. Just I don't know, I'm questioning my content a lot. I just keep feeling ki, you know, maybe my content is not good enough, and I don't know how to make myself feel that it is. And you know, they say ki when you are on your healing journey, or when you are, you know, trying to find yourself, it's best to be alone. And I feel that's very true because when you are alone, you are able to actually listen to your soul. Insta delete karna was like great thing for me. It feels very healthy for me. And then now I'm thinking ki maybe I should stop using Snapchat as well, because maybe looking at other people is not really that great for me at the moment. And not having friends in my life right now is also proving to be very healthy for me, because then I'm not also, मैं ऐसा नहीं सोच रही हूँ कि you know what people will think या फिर how others are doing it. I'm just thinking how I want to do it, or what I want to do, and how I want my life to be, and how I want my day to be. So not having anyone in my life is proving to be like very healthy at the moment. मैं literally उस दिन डैड के साथ लिफ्ट में जा रही थी, and there was this girl जो I'm not sure which coaching was it, I can't remember. वो किसी कोचिंग से वापस आ रही थी, and then dad was talking to her ऐसे करके. My dad is like a very friendly person. I don't know why I'm not. I try to be, but I am like an ambivert. I'm an introvert. I like to be by myself really, and I try to be, you know, extrovert, but I don't have that much of social battery. मेरे को आजकल तो और भी ज़्यादा मन नहीं करता है. मतलब यूजुअली आई एम लाइक या आई लाइक टू गो आउट एंड आई टू लाइक टू टॉक टू पीपल, but then I'm like, I just hit a stage where I'm just like, I just want to be alone all by myself. So that's like a real thing. My dad doesn't have it ever. He's okay with socializing, being around people at all times. I'm not like that. So I was just, when we were in the lift, so मेरे को ऐसे एकदम मन ही नहीं कर रहा था किसी से बात करने का. was just like, I just wanna go home, please. And I just want to give my mind some rest. So my dad was talking to her, and then बाद में मुझसे dad पूछ रहे, why don't you make friends? Why don't you talk to people? And I'm like, because I don't want to. And right now I'm just so happy not having friends, not talking to anyone, and just being by myself. मैं वो चीज़ क्यों ruin करूँ? Because when you have friends, they also have expectations. You छोड़ो, they have expectations. मतलब obviously कि you know, अरे हम लोग बात करते, why isn't she calling, why am I the only one? Because मेरा वो stage अभी hit किया हुआ है where I don't want to talk to anyone. अब मैं क्या करूँ उस बारे में? So I just feel like I feel actually blessed in this moment that I'm not really talking to anyone, and I just feel very happy that I'm just all by myself and not really, you know, having to talk to anyone. Or मेरी मॉम भी मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा ये चीज़ बोलती रहती है, why don't you, you know, have update about your cousins and all. because I don't want it. I don't know. I feel like a terrible person at times that I'm like, I don't even want to keep update about them, but I'm just like, it's okay now, yaar. I feel like right now I have hit that stage where I'm pretty much like the OG types, like old school types. Pura, when we'll meet, they'll give me updates now about their life. It's okay. They are getting married, I'm getting that update from you. They are having children, I'm getting that update from you. Which college they are going or not going, whatever it is. I'm getting those updates from my mom and I'm pretty okay with it. I don't want to follow anyone on social media and I don't even use it. And I know कि Snapchat and all में भी like we can use, but वैसे मैंने streaks maintain करना तक बंद कर दिया है. I'm like, I'm not doing any of those things and I'm loving my life like that. I don't know, I'm just literally the kind of person who's okay with having like 2 to 3 friends. या बिकॉज मैं उससे ज़्यादा टाइम दे भी नहीं पाऊंगी लोगों को. एवरी 2 to 3 डे आई हैव टू थिंक अच्छा इसके साथ बाहर घूमती इसका ये करती, मेरे से वो नहीं होने वाला है. Because the most important thing for me right now is to love myself, to take care of myself, to make myself happy and spend time with myself. So I'm like right now मेरे को सिर्फ उतना ही करना है. मेरे को उससे ज़्यादा नहीं चाहिए. So when it comes to like having friends, I'm okay with like few people. And right now if I don't have it, so I'm trusting universe ki it's the best decision to not have friends at the moment. And it feels great because of that I have been able to find myself, and I'm trying to find the kind of content I want to post as well, because I am still figuring this out. I'm telling you, I'm being honest. I'm still figuring this out. I'm still not sure how active I want. I am trying to be as active as I can be because I love talking to you, you know it. But I'm still trying to figure it out, how much I can post and what I can post and how I can post. Like what is like the most convenient way for me so that I can be more active and I can be more authentic. The most important thing is because I don't want कि मैं इतना editing and all करूँ या फिर मैं इतना अपने आप को stress and all करूँ, and because of that I'm not able to be active because I'm constantly thinking about what my audience wants. Because maybe if I start doing that, I'll be attracting the wrong audience, which I don't want. So I'm like, no. If I want to stay true to my content, if I want to be authentic, I have to listen to what my heart is telling me, and for that I have to just spend more amount of time with myself and not focus on what others are doing. So yeah, that's why, because I know I literally appreciate the people who are able to edit so much and who spend so much time in these kind of things, and they are able to but I'm just not that kind of a person. Because see, basically if I'm not going to be able to spend time with myself, if I'm not going to be able to listen to my own self, I can't be asking you to do the same. So अगर मेरे को ही नहीं पता होगा कि what I want to do, how am I going to tell you about those things? How can I guide you on it? So that's why I'm just not really focusing on the fact कि क्या लोगों को पसंद है. I'm like, if people like me, they are going to follow me, subscribe to me. So I'm just okay. I'm like, मैं इतना stress नहीं लेने वाली हूँ. I've been following a new person, Araya नाम है उसका. So I just saw one of her videos where she was like, she just believes कि YouTube algorithm is more like a spiritual place. वो algorithm तुम्हें जो दिखाना होता है वो दिखा देता है. So I feel yeah, that is pretty much true. That I think मेरे को कभी-कभी ऐसे लगता भी है कि I think algorithms, Insta का मैं नहीं बोलूँगी, but YouTube algorithm, I feel it's more about जो आपको देखना होता है, जिस समय में देखना होता है वो आपको दिख जाता है. So I'm like, if I'm supposed to reach my audience, I just have to stay true to my content. and it will reach my audience. And I have to stress about it so much. And being on Instagram especially, it feels very stressful because उसमें बहुत झंझट करना पड़ता है. No matter how authentic no and how original you are, it just doesn't work on Instagram. I don't know algorithm के साथ क्या किया है, but it just doesn't work. And that's why that is another reason why I love YouTube way more, because you just can be yourself. And I love this place so much. So yeah, I'm just right now trying to find how I can be more authentic, and I'm trying to just learn my worth more and more, and just believe that my content is worth it. So yeah, that was it for today's video. See you in my next video. Bye bestie.